In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks in calendar mode in Asana. If you've ever struggled to visualize your workload or keep track of deadlines, Calendar View will make everything feel clearer and more manageable. We'll walk through getting into the right project, switching to calendar, opening task details, dragging tasks to reschedule them, and adding new tasks directly from the calendar. Start on your desktop and open Asana. Once you're in, head to your workspace. On the left sidebar, look for the Work section and click Projects. This shows you the list of projects you have access to. Choose the project where you want to plan your timeline and open it. At the top of your project, switch the view by clicking Calendar. This instantly transforms your project into a date-based view. You'll now see every task that has a due date plotted on the calendar. If something is missing, don't worry. Tasks without due dates won't appear here. They'll show up once you add a due date. From this calendar, you can explore task details with a single click. Select any task to open its task panel. Here, you can read the description, check on subtasks, see who's assigned, and confirm the due date. This is a great place to make quick updates so everything stays accurate. Rescheduling is as simple as drag and drop. If a deadline needs to shift, grab the task from the calendar and drag it to the new date. When you release it, the due date updates automatically, so your timeline stays aligned and teammates see the change right away. You can also add new work right from the calendar. Click directly on the date you want, type the task name, and create it on the spot. After it appears, open the task panel to fine-tune the details. Assign it to the right person, confirm or adjust the due date, and add any notes or context. If you created the task without a date, make sure to add one here so it shows up in Calendar View. As you plan, remember that calendar mode is designed to give you clarity at a glance. It's perfect for spotting busy days, balancing workloads, and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Keep your tasks updated with accurate due dates and assignments to get the most out of this view. And that's how you use tasks in calendar mode in Asana to manage deadlines and plan your work visually. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.